in this song.
Sure.
Because this is supposed to be an enjoyable song.
Okay? Saan mo yung ano?
Game.
Do the patitos.
Ready? Rolling 5, 4, 3, 2, go!
Nobody can tell ya there's only one song worth singing. They may try to sell ya, 'cause it hangs them up to see someone like you.
Sing a song, make it simple to last your whole life long. Sing of happy, not sad. Sing of good things, not bad.
But you gotta make your own kind of
Sing a song, make it simple to last your whole life long.
Even if nobody else sings along,
Don't worry that it's not good enough for anyone else to hear. Just sing a song.
Even if nobody else sings along.
Sing a song, make it simple to last your whole life long. Don't worry that it's not good enough.
Likot ko na naman.
You know, having heard all of the pairs perform, could the pairs get together, please? Umupo yung pairs with one another. Okay? I can already foresee the major problems that you are going to encounter on Saturday. Okay, let's start with the first pair. Well, what you gave me today was a disaster, well, because, well, the exercise you gave me was disaster because you're unprepared. Ang basic fear ko sa inyong dalawa is you're going to play it safe. Okay? No. Ang basic fear ko is, Monette, correct me if I'm wrong, because you know them when they are performing their duets. Ang basic fear ko is, you're gonna play safe on Saturday, it's going to be competent, but it's not going to be exciting. It's not going to soar. What are the songs you're going to sing?
Stay awake and cause...
Okay. Malakas yung counterpointing nung kantang yon, pero kailangan bigyan ninyo ng brilyo. Because knowing the two of you, you're going to play safe. And because of that, siguro vocally, ang ganda lalabas, pero performance-wise and impact-wise, as a counterpoint, baka maglaglagan kayong dalawa. Hindi mo maglalaglagan, it's just gonna be safe. You're only going to end up in the middle. Okay? What's the next pair who sang? I think I told you na the basic problem you're going to face. It's vocally... Ano yung kanta ninyo, anak?
Forever's not enough, maybe.
So you have to compromise to accommodate Van. You have to control to accommodate Van. But ang fear ko is, in controlling and compromising, you might bring the level down. Van, you have to try harder.
Yes.
Parang
Ang challenge mo, Van, is putang ina ang kapartner mo, boses truck yan. Ikaw, boses tricycle. Hindi ako nagbibiro.
Yes.
Okay? So, ang layo, ang disparity ng boses ninyo, magkaiba na the song itself will not, the songs themselves can't save you. The greater effort has to come from you, Van. Third pair. Kayo, no? Music, yung boses nyo.
Parang lumanding. Parang aeroplano. Parang aeroplano lang.
This is falling apart. I hope it lasts until the big night. Soon you'll hear explosions. No, yung Sa inyong dalawa, I mean, ang ganda ng boses nyo together. But again, eto ang fear ko ha, huwag kayong magsapawan. Huwag kayong magsapawan. Ang titindi ng boses ninyong pareho. Tandaan ninyo, kahit sa counterpoint, kahit magkaiba yun, huwag kayong magsapawan. You're the pair to beat. Dahil ang balita ko, ang ganda-ganda pa ng kanta nyo. You have the best song of the lot. Now, expectations dyan, because you are Laarni and you are Bugoy, they're going to expect you to rock the fucking house. So, kailangan bumongga kayo, pero huwag kayong magsapawan. Ang ikalalaglag ninyo pag nagsapawan kayo. Okay, but you have all the aces up, you know, lahat, it's all stacked up sa inyo. Lahat ng advantage na sa inyo. Ingat lang na magbigayan kayo, ha? Dear, oh dear, oh dear. Okay? Ano yung kakantahin ninyo?
Say that you love me and...
Huwag ka lang mawawala.
Oh God.
But it's nice.
No. Good luck.
Kawawa.
No. I'm not discouraging you. You just have to work harder. Kasi the voice combination is yung vocally ang layo ninyo eh.
Opo.
Now to find that compromise, you really have to work. And it's workable. That's why there's Teacher Monette here. Look at him. He's all eager to help you and guide you. Okay, and then there's Teacher Kitchi. Okay? But it's going to be difficult. But then, you know, that's the fun of it. You make the difficulty the fun of it.
Shot of espresso.
Sen, at this point, you have to be extra careful. No, really. You have to be extra careful because you're getting to be very sloppy in your performances. For the past 2 weeks, you were really sloppy. Yung Bailamos, I understood it because you were dancing your heart out and your notes were flying all over the place. But last week, I didn't understand why. Well, you were sick, but you were really sloppy. I hope you're not as sloppy this time. Stay a little bit more focused this time because you're in danger. Okay? I understand your problem, yung health problem mo. Okay, but kasi we cannot explain that to the audience. I'm going to sing this way kasi may cyst ako sa lalamunan. Hindi ko naman pwedeng paglabas mo, meron kong taratula, I have cyst. Di ba?
Yes po, naintindihan ko po. Siyempre.
So you have to make the most out of it. Okay, basta work extra hard on that. Now, kayong dalawa. They're singing a dramatic song na silang dalawa, no?
No, actually, it's a very parang jukeboxy kind of
I know.
songs.
Which gets me worried because that's neither of you. I know you didn't choose it either, but it's, di ba? It's not our choice of songs. But I'll be brutally honest with the two of you, ha? You're in danger.
We're both.
Yeah.
We're both.
Okay.
Rough cubes.
As it is right now, the possible progress. So you work hard. Why? Vocally, ang layo ninyo. Secondly, Iñaki, you have to take this a little bit more seriously when you hit the stage. You can't get away with this by trying to be cute. Okay? You have to work on it because you two are in fucking danger. Okay? Any questions? Kaya ako pinagawa sa inyo ito para maano nyo how to relate to each other. Kasi hindi lang, ngayon, nakatutok lahat kayo dun sa boses kung paano kantahin ito ng wasto. Hindi nyo na nakikita na a great amount of the impact ng pagkanta is yung performance ninyo. Ang dami sa inyo na nalulusutan kahit anong kapalpakan ninyo at kanipisan ninyo dahil sa ganda ng performance ninyo. Of course, yung pagkanta nyo is bahagi ng performance, pero yung physical presence ninyo sa entablado is as important. Di ba? I'll give an example. Chris, nag-number 3 ka dahil ang ganda-ganda ng physical presence mo doon. Vocally talaga, kung ihahambing ka naman doon sa ibang mga malalakas na babae rito, you know that your voice is not as strong, is not as rich as the voices of, let's say, La Arnie, or Lisel, or Poy. Okay? Pero yung physical presence mo gets, yung performance mo gets you by. Okay? The same thing is with you, Van. Because your performance saves you. Okay? Or yung performance nagdadagdag ng value dun sa